This is one of Brunel's tunnel, a Brunel folly, as later history dubbed it, because Brunel's railway line was so close to the coast, to round Bray Head, he didn't have to pay for the land, but the tunnels were eroded and the track was liable to rockfall. Now where I'm standing, it's prohibited to be here because at the north end of the head there was a very secure gate to stop anybody going south, and we were told as the members of the public that the south entrance was also blocked off, but some people have got fed up with the inert actions or non-actions of the council to lift up the rubble and net the cliff so that people could enjoy this beautiful walk, that some of the half-baked barriers on the south side have been trampled down. And I'm exactly halfway between Greystones and Bray, and I'm delighted to see one of the disused tunnels, a Brunel folly that we don't hear of in the biographies or read of. So I'm very pleased to get this bonus shot, because when I ploughed north up through the semi-overgrown footpath, I thought, where am I going to be stopped? Well, it's worth it just to see one, and I think I read there were 3 tunnels. Sign said several tunnels. They used the word several when people haven't worked out how many there were. But this on itself is worth the walk. And in the background you can see the Greystones harbour.